Hello friends. Today I am tell you the free video editing software. There will no watermark and no time limitations. There is just entirely free. They are also pretty good. When you compare them to paid video editing software, in many cases they are just good and cool. In fact, I am using this video editing software for my YouTube channel videos. Let's check this out. Welcome to ZS Tech Pro channel. If you gonna down to search field on your taskbar, simply type the video editor. If you are running Windows 10 on your computer, Windows 10 comes with video editor software. Video editing software is very easy to use. I can drag and add some videos directly into the video editor. And there is a lot of comes with your PC. I have access to all of the most common video editing tools. You can trim, split, add text, and what you can do. I can add this music to my video. I can also include the custom audio and voiceover. It has a very interface. The next video editor is Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is the most using video editing software in the world. You can create the project to edit your videos. You can simply drag and drop the video files in it. At right you can see the source file, where you can trim or adjust any videos. At bottom you see timeline. Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the Google Chrome. Right, open Short Video Editor in search bar. Then click on the first website. You can download and install it. Open Short. This software is free and open source for people. You can install on any platform like Windows, Linux, Mac. Simply click on the download text right here. Once you install this, drop you into the open short video editor. You can trim, add text and transition in this software. The next free video editor is Shortcut. You can download this from shortcut.org. It is free and open source for everyone. Click on the click to download text. Top on the page. Once you finish installing, in Shortcut you will create a new project.